Hello everyone and welcome to Crowdin. In this short video, we're going to show you how Crowdin Marketo integration works. This integration allows you to keep all your marketing content multilingual. You can translate all your content from Marketo, including emails, email templates, landing pages, landing page templates, files, forms, and snippets. Just upload your content for translation and download the translated content back to Marketo in just a few clicks. Let me show you how that works. To integrate Crowdin and Marketo, you'll need to have a Crowdin Enterprise or a Crowdin.com account and an already created Crowdin project. So first, we're going to install the app by visiting the Crowdin Marketplace. In the search bar, let's type in Marketo. Then click Install. To start the localization process, let's go to our Crowdin project. Then click Integrations. In the list of available apps, let's find Marketo. Click it. Now we need to connect our Crowdin account with Marketo. For that, we need to specify Marketo client ID, Marketo client secret, and REST API endpoint. So let's switch to Marketo and get this information. To get Marketo client ID and client secret, let's go to our admin panel. In the integration section, let's click Launch Point and select Previously Installed Service. Now let's click View Details and copy the needed information. One more thing we need to find is the REST API endpoint. So let's go back to Marketo. In the integration section, let's click Web Services and copy REST API endpoint and paste it. Now we are ready to log in. And now we're on the integration screen. On the right are all my emails, email templates, landing pages, landing page templates, files, forms, and snippets. And on the left are only ones that I have already requested translation for. As you may notice, the content was shared from your design studio. If you want to share your content for marketing activities, you can go to Settings and change it. If you don't do it, then Design Studio will be chosen by default. Let's say I want to translate an email template, but you can translate whatever category you want. To upload it to Crowdin, I simply select it on the Marketo side and then click Sync to Crowdin. Now I'm ready to order professional translation for my content, or I can have an automated Crowdin workflow configured to order translations whenever I synchronize new content to my project. I can see the translation progress in the status bar. Now let's check how my email template appears to translators. A manager wouldn't typically visit this page very often. I just wanted to show you that Crowdin tries to provide as much contextual information as possible. This is my email template in the Crowdin editor, rendered as accurately as possible. When the translations are ready, to synchronize the translated content back, simply select it and then click Sync to Marketo. Now let's return to Marketo to check out our translated email template. This is my email template translated to German, and this is my email template translated to French. Let's check its content, shall we? It looks pretty good and is ready to be used. And that's it, as simple as that. Now you know how to integrate Crowdin and Marketo, but there is a lot more to discover, like automatic synchronization. With Crowdin's vast area of features, you can efficiently translate your content into many different languages. Find a link in the description to start your free Crowdin trial. Thanks for watching!